What's up guys, so Apple just now rolled iOS 14 and I'm currently downloading it on my iPhone, so be sure to subscribe my channel because if that video will be up really soon. I will be explaining many hidden features, so be sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. So one of the features I was impressed by Apple. Right now I was currently watching the stream. It is not over yet and I'm like, you are seeing your boy is so quick, your boy has just uploaded a video so quickly, so it means one like, alright. So I was watching the stream, alright, everything was great, but suddenly Apple brought a whole new widget thing and that was really unexpected. No one expected it, like really. Widgets thing was never expected. So Apple brought a Siri thing which was really useful and it was earlier in jailbreak, and we can see iOS 14 is really just made with jailbreak things. Like widgets earlier was in jailbreak, like here you can see, and earlier that Siri thing was also same in jailbreak, and I would say it was better in jailbreak. So I was really impressed with Apple that they optimized that widget really great, and right now we will test, as I'm a developer and I will test and give you all review in just few hours. Just wait for few hours. Press the bell icon, alright? The thing was that Apple told us that we will optimize these widgets for so good usage and it will be used by many iOS consumers, and that is a big statement by a company rolling out a software update and saying that more than 90% of the consumer will use that thing. And Apple told us that widgets can be reordered and be ordered like the iPad, right? You guys remember that earlier in iOS 13.5 or 4, I don't remember that update, but that brought a slide widgets thing to iPad, which was just so cool, and I wished at that time that Apple please brought this to iPhone, and wow, Apple, you brought it, really. That actually I love the widget thing and we will test out it soon in my channel. So alright, that's it for today's video, and not today's video, alright, iOS 14, this video, widgets video, and we will test it soon, so be sure to subscribe, man.